Hello guys. If you are new to the channel, welcome. If you are also a returning subscriber, you are also welcome. So in this video, I'll be sharing with you how to make money on the Achieve app. So first of all, if you don't have the Achieve app, you need to go to Google Play Store or Apple Store to download the app. So when you go to your Google Play Store or the App Store, you just search for Achieve app. So when you search for Achieve app, it is going to pop and you will see it like this. This is the actual app. You are going to see it like this. This is the app. You see it here. And my own, they are saying I should update because I'm having it on my phone. But your own, they will say you should download it. So and when you are to download, you make sure you check for the interface of the app. You just click on these icons to confirm if it is the right app. So you make sure that you are seeing something of this kind. Make sure that you are seeing the interface like this. You can see. So make sure you are seeing all this before you download the app. And also don't forget to also check out for this. Don't also forget to check out for the download. That's 100k download. 100k download. We have rated for 3 plus and 25 megabytes and 4k reviews. So you need to check out for all that before you now download the app. So please make sure you take note of all this before you go and download different apps. So after you have downloaded the app, you now come to your Achieve app. Actually, I'm not going to tell you to invest, but I'll tell you what to do to make that money. So this one, you can use it to invest, but I'm not saying you should, like this tutorial is not about you investing, but you still make money out of that. So you click on your Achieve app after you have downloaded it. So it is going to open. So after you have clicked on the Achieve app, it is going to open. And let's wait for it to open. Let's be patient and allow the app to open. So it is actually loading for now. So okay, so let me log in. But for you, they will say you should get started. For you, they will say you click on get started to fill out your details. After you fill out your details, they will be asking you for verification, account verification, where they will be telling you to use whether you want to use like your Ghana card or driver license or any voters like ID card or so to verify your account. But for me, I'm already having my account. I need to log into my account. It's just a simple process for you to also create your account. It's not any difficult thing. So make sure you walk through all that. And their assistance is also good. So first of all, let me log into my account and we'll continue from there. Let me log into my account. We'll continue from there. So okay, let's wait for it to load. It's actually loading for now. Let's wait for it. So let's wait for it to load. Let's be patient and allow it to load. So we need to be patient and allow it to load. Actually, you can see they say hi and they mention my name, welcome. Let's get to know you. So this one, you can see all this. So now that the place is now like to make money. Like how are you going to make the money? So you click on your profile. After you click on your profile, even when you are filling the form, you will see a place that they will ask you, how do you hear about Achieve? Please take note of this. That's the place that you can use to make the money. They will ask you, how do you hear about Achieve? And you use my referral code. So you use my referral code. So use my referral code. You use King Youth. You can see the code here. So this one, you use this one. That's my referral code. KINGYOUTH. That's my referral code, all in small letters. or you can use this link. You can also use this link and enter at that place. So you can also use this link to log into the system. But first of all, I'll put this link on the video description. If you are well, you can also click on the link to just go to the site and fill out your form, verify your account, and you can start. So after you have verified your account and you have entered my referral code, so you are going to get 10 cedis, and I also get 10 cedis. So you can see it's win-win. But this one, you know, you are also having friends. You also having friends. Also tell your friends to also use your referral code, because if your friends use my referral code, you not get the 10 cedis. But don't let them use my referral code at that moment. Let them also use your referral code. But if you are to create your account, make sure you use my referral code to get your 10 cedis, and I also get my 10 cedis. And if your friend is, you also invite your friend to join. Make sure your friend is also using your referral code. Also share your referral code with your friend, so that your friend can also use your referral code to also join. And after you have joined, you deposit about 10 cedis. You deposit 10 cedis on your account. You are not going to invest. I'm going to show you the trick. You are not going to invest. After you have deposited the 10 cedis into your account, and they will also you will see a place that they will say point. You can see point errands. So if I was having, because I didn't use anybody on, because by then I created my account for long, because the app was not actually popular that way also. So you now click on redeem. After you have getting you use my referral code, you see your place will be 10 points. It will be point errors will be 10, and you now click on redeem. You can see redeem here, and click on redeem, and you redeem it to cash. And after 3 business days, you can now withdraw that particular money. You can withdraw your money, the 10 cedis that they have given to you, into your account, and you can continue to do that way. Let's say, for instance, if you get about, let's say 20 people to do that. Let's say you get about 20 people to do that. Let's say you get about 20 people. The verification process is just simple. You get about 20 people. Let's say 20 multiplied by 10. You're already having 2 million. You get there where you are already having 2 million on your account. So let's say even if you get 100 people, that's 2,000. So make sure you use this strategy, and you're going to make money out of that. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.